Asia Dasa Wutu Châu Á Musim gugur di Asia Asiaฤดูใบไม้ร่วงในเอเชีย
Hey everybody, just a quick interruption here. Now, how would you like to have 10 to 15 minutes of pure, raw, unedited video from my video vault each week? Check out my Patreon page, link in the description below. Thank you. Let's get on with the video. Well, welcome back to Ottoman Asia, Cambodian style. Today we're going to be at the miniature replica of Angkor temples, and there it is, just a little bit above Highway 6, and this place is pretty fascinating. Yes, please like and subscribe, it really helps. Yeah, this place is, the gentleman, he was a master sculptor. Unfortunately, he passed away a couple of years ago, well into his 90s, but he had quite the story to tell. During Pol Pot years, the Khmer Rouge was like, he had 25% of the population murdered, and anybody that was educated or was a artisan or sculpture, whatever, anybody, even people who just had glasses, anybody that was smart, they would just murder. But he had to hide everything. He buried all of his sculptures, I guess, in out in the jungle. That's what I'm trying to say. But anyways, yeah, and then after Pol Pot was dispelled, he got to continue doing his sculpting. This particular sculpture right here, I did find some information. It took him 3.5 years to do the Angkor Wat. This is the Angkor Wat sculpture, which is fascinating. Could use a little bit cleaning up, but like, come on, the guy's not around anymore, and well, yeah. I'd like to go and clean it up a little bit too, but it kind of makes it look a little, I don't know what the word for it is, rustic. But anyways, yeah, there's a couple other temples there too. There's like Wat Tam, and I'm probably going to, yeah, there's Angkor Wat. I'm probably going to butcher this one, Bantane Shri. That's this one here. I have not seen this one personally live yet. It's about 200 kilometers north of here where I'm at, and that's like, if I do go up there, it would be a 2-dayer. And here's just, yeah, there's the third one. That's Angkor Thom. This one is really neat. I've seen this one too. This is in right next to Angkor Wat, and when I zoom in a little bit closer, you can see all the faces that are carved into it, and that's really how it was. They're very, very nice. The way he was sculpting this here, you can see that he did it in layers, so these are not big old huge gigantor boulders or anything like that, but nonetheless, it's some fascinating work, and I believe this one took him 2 years to do. So yeah, that's a lot of sculpting. He's done other sculptures, even did some for the king, and I just really didn't get that much information when I was there, unfortunately, and I couldn't find much on the internet, but it's well worth going to see if you're in town. It's like only $2 to go check it out, and it helps his family that's still living there. Now this one here, this one photographs really, really nice, and I liked it. I really don't want to see this one. It's up north, like I had mentioned, but it just looks, wow, I mean, it looks medieval, man. And yeah, too bad the koi pond isn't koyin, but what can you say? Yeah, it's just a fascinating work that he did there. And these were like plaques, that big facades that he did, and got them up there somehow, and fastened them all together to make it look like the real deal. And underneath is his shrine where him and his family, there you go, would make merit and do their prayers and what have you. And a lot of the temples have that kind of windows with those bars in them. I really never figured that one out, and I've never figured this one out either. Yes, please subscribe, it really helps. I've never figured this one out. This one has seen better days, it seems, but nonetheless, it is still pretty cool. There's another one of the, I don't know, for better words, the bell tower, the face tower. There we go. And I just had to get a couple of different angles there. So Anyways, at this point, I say, if you're still here, you are my #1 fans, and please don't forget to check out my Patreon page if you want 10 to 15 minutes of pure, raw, unedited footage a week. Go ahead and check it out. So, everybody, have a great day, and thank you very much.